Hi, I'm Maureen McCann with Promotion Career Solutions, and I'm going to be talking to you today about the importance of having a target in your job search. Hey, I get it. You want to blast out your resume to every possible opportunity. You want to make sure that you've left no stone unturned. The problem with that approach is that you're watering down your brand. Instead of giving 100% attention or focus to your job search, what you're doing is spreading yourself too thin and trying to win over people who probably are not a good fit for you. So what I suggest instead is this three-pronged approach. Number one, know who your target audience is. What industry are you attracting? What type of company are you most interested in working with? And what is the position that you're after? Now let's break this down a little bit. First, know your industry. So it's important to be able to figure out if you're looking at the healthcare industry, tourism, education, tech companies, government. There's so many different industries out there where you could work. Pick 2, maybe 3 where you want to work next. You're not excluding all other opportunities. What you're trying to do is make your path really, really clear and avoid all the extra work of applying to jobs that really aren't suited for you in other industries. So while you could try to work in aerospace, with no aerospace experience and no interest in aerospace, then that's probably not a good target for you. Number 2, figure out what position you want to be in. So you can do marketing, you could do sales, you could be an accountant, you can do just about any position. What's the one that's most meaningful for you? And you probably have some good ideas at this point of things that are of interest to you. If not, go back and do some thinking and come up with things that are, tasks you really enjoy doing, problems you want to solve. So when it comes to positions, like I said, it could be just about anything, some type of teacher, some type of leader, some type of manager. It's really important to get this part just about right. Now, the titles of those positions could be different. Sometimes in companies, it will be vice president, where in other companies, the same role could be called a director. What are the most common names for the positions that you'd like to apply? And then finally, companies. There's probably a theme to the types of companies that you'd like to work for. Maybe they're industry leaders. Maybe they're small businesses fighting their way into a crowded market. Whatever it is, take a look at your work history, figure out what companies you most enjoyed working with, what companies you didn't, and what are the themes? What do they have in common? With these 3 elements now in place, you know your target industry, your target company, and your target position. Now it's time to write your resume. You're very clear about your path moving forward, and it makes it easier to write a resume when you know exactly who your target audience is. I hope this has been really helpful. If you have any questions, please drop them below. If the video was helpful, I'd really appreciate you liking the video. And please don't be shy. I really like to engage. So if you have a question, I'm happy to answer it. Thanks for watching.